Hello everyone, it's Holly. In this video, I'm going to be sharing my easy recipe for ramen noodles with beef that I make in a slow cooker. Let's get started. Here's all the ingredients that I'll be using for this recipe. As you can see, it doesn't take a lot to make it. First of all, I'm going to be using 1 pound of ground beef. Now, I prefer the lean ground beef, the 93% lean, 7% fat, but you can certainly use 80-20 as well. The rest of the ingredients will be 3 packets of beef flavored ramen noodles, 1 packet of coleslaw, and minced garlic. Now the first thing I'm going to do, and honestly this is the most time consuming part of the whole recipe, is cooking up the ground beef. And again, I use 1 pound of ground beef and let it fully cook on a skillet. I usually salt and pepper my meat as I'm cooking it. Next, getting out my crock pot or slow cooker, I will then add the meat. Next, I will add my coleslaw. I'm going to be adding an entire 16-ounce bag of coleslaw, shredded cabbage and carrots, to my crock pot, just dumping it right on top of the meat. And then I'm going to add minced garlic. If you want to use fresh garlic, I would say add 3 cloves of it. However, since I'm getting my garlic out of a jar, I do 3 heaping teaspoons of it. Then for seasoning it up, I'm going to be adding 2 of the beef flavored packets from the ramen noodle soup mix. And the reason I'm only using 2 packets is because, in my opinion, I think that the beef flavored packets are a bit too salty. I find that adding only 2 of them is the right amount of spice for this recipe. And I'm just going to sprinkle the 2 packets of beef flavoring on top, and I usually just discard the 3rd one. Now to add some liquid to let this cook in, I'm going to be adding 4 cups of water. In my mixing bowl here of 2 cups, I will then do 2 of these to add 4 total. Now, if you don't want to use the beef flavored packets, you can substitute half of the water for beef broth instead. I have tried that, and while it does work, I just prefer doing it the way I'm showing you right now. Last, I will give everything a good mix, and then I will turn my slow cooker on high, put the lid on, and let it cook for 2 hours. That is all the time it needs to get all the coleslaw cooked down and get the water hot enough for adding the noodles. Finally, I will add my 3 packets worth of noodles only to the hot mixture, and I will break each of them in half. Really, all you need to do is push it into the hot water, maybe mix it around a little bit. Eventually, though, it will soften, and it usually takes anywhere from 10 to 15 minutes to get the noodles exactly to where they need to be. You don't want to cook it too long because then the noodles will get overcooked and it'll get on the mushy side. But 10 to 15 minutes is usually the perfect amount of time to get the noodles just right. That is how I make my ramen noodle with beef in the slow cooker. Not only is this meal easy to make, but it has become a family favorite in our home. My kids look forward to having it. They have always been a fan of ramen noodles, but I like this recipe because it adds protein and vegetables. It really makes it a full-on meal versus just having the noodles. There's definitely different variations of this recipe. You can add more to it if you want. I have actually done stir-fried vegetables on the side to serve with it. They pair very well together. But normally, this is how we like it, adding a little bit of soy sauce to it before we eat it. You could also add soy sauce to the recipe itself. I just caution that you don't add too much because it can make the dish a little too salty. Well, that is my recipe for easy to make ramen noodles with beef in the slow cooker. I hope you found this helpful and it might have given you a new idea for a simple to make recipe. If you enjoyed this video or got any value out of it, please hit the like button. I appreciate you watching, and may you have a beautiful day.